Like a blast of birdshot, the initial jet phase of a sneeze lasts only milliseconds, but it can send an estimated 40,000 droplets of various sizes scattering outward as fast as a car going down a highway. The largest droplets rocket out of the sneezer's mouth and rapidly plummet under their own weight within a few seconds. Average distance traveled 3 to 6.5 feet. The cloud grows and slows as it pulls in air from the environment, carrying the smallest droplets up to 26 feet from their point of origin. In the puff phase of a sneeze, a turbulent cloud of warm, moist air swirls through the air, carrying the sneeze droplets with it. Buoyed by the cloud, small droplets can easily stay airborne long enough to reach overhead vents and thus anywhere in the building. It's a big problem, but there's a solution an arm's length away. Cover sneezes with a sleeve or tissue and wash your hands regularly. And last but not least, remember, keep those germs to yourself.